This is a bird. This is a bird. All birds have feathers and all birds have beaks, but all birds are different too. This is a bird. Its beak is long and sharp, and its feathers are black and white. It is an emperor penguin. This is a bird. Its beak is long and hooked, and its feathers are white. It is a pelican. This is a bird. Its beak is sharp and hooked, and its feathers are black. It is a turkey villager. This is a bird. Its beak is short and sharp, and its feathers are white. It is a chicken. This is a bird. Its beak is long and fat, and its feathers are brown. It is a mallard duck. This is a bird. Its beak is long and curved, and its feathers are brown. It is a thrasher. This is a bird. Its beak is short and sharp, and its feathers are red. It is a cardinal. This is a bird. Its beak is long and thin, and its feathers are purple, green, and gray. It is a Costa's hummingbird. In some ways, all birds are the same. All birds have beaks and all birds have feathers, but all birds are different too.